All right, so today I'm doing a fuel line. We're gonna put some upgraded tubing, nickel copper stuff. A clamp can hold on to that little bump right there. So a bubble flare. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this area here, make that little arch, the little angle right there. All right, time to unwrap this baby. Nickel copper tubing. What an upgrade. I can't wait. So this thing is very malleable. I'm able to unbend it by hand and bend it to the shape I want. Although I did bring some tube benders out. I started using them, but I think I like the hand bending better. So let's route it. Let's get it down. The hose will attach to the bubble flare here. So these lines run alongside the brake lines under the cross member here, where a second clip should be. I'm missing mine, so I'll be able to use a zip tie for now, but I will be replacing those clips that I need. Here's the third clip. It's not really clamping on there, so I'm going to use a zip tie. And that's where creating these bends come into play in order to clear the cables and brake lines. A little bit of insulation away from the exhaust heat right there. And there you go, a brand new fuel line.